Relationship between a flower and honeybee will help the flower for ফুল আৰু মৌমাখিৰ মাজত সম্পৰ্কই ফুলটো কেনেকৈ সহায় কৰিব The options are faster development, pollination, quick germination of pollen, and increase in size. The correct answer is pollination. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and in doing so, they transfer pollen from one flower to another, aiding in pollination. Which of the following plant shows chloroplast dimorphism? তলৰ কোনটো উদ্ভিদে chloroplast দুইপুৰুটা দেখুৱাইছে? Options are rice, wheat, sugar beet, নে sugarcane. The correct answer is sugarcane. Chloroplast dimorphism হৈছে কুঁহিয়াৰৰ দৰে C4 উদ্ভিদৰ এটা বৈশিষ্ট্য. Question 3. The plants receive nitrogen in form of গছবোৰে নাইট্ৰজেন কেনেকৈ লাভ কৰে? Options are nitric acid, nitrate, ammonia, নে nitrite. The correct answer is nitrate. Plants primarily absorb nitrogen as nitrate from the soil for their growth and development. উদ্ভিদে নিজৰ বৃদ্ধি আৰু বিকাশৰ বাবে মূলতঃ নাইট্ৰজেনক মাটিৰ পৰা নাইট্ৰেট হিচাপে শোষণ কৰে. Question 4. The maximum fixation of solar energy is done by সৌৰ শক্তিৰ সৰ্বোচ্চ স্থিৰতা নিম্মুক্ত দ্বাৰা কৰা হয়. Options are bacteria, protozoa, fungi, নে green plants. The correct answer is green plants. শালুক সংশ্লেষণৰ জৰিয়তে সেউজ উদ্ভিদে সৌৰ শক্তিক ৰাসায়নিক শক্তিলৈ ৰূপান্তৰিত কৰে যাৰ ফলত ইহঁতক প্ৰাথমিক উৎপাদক হয়. Question 5. The elements known as primary nutrients for plants are উদ্ভিদৰ বাবে প্ৰাথমিক পুষ্টিকৰ উপাদান হিচাপে জনাজাত মৌলসমূহ হৈছে Options are A. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, nitrogen, oxygen and silicon, potassium, boron and nitrogen, and nitrogen, phosphorus and iron. The correct answer is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. এই মৌল উদ্ভিদৰ বৃদ্ধিৰ বাবে অপৰিহাৰ্য বৃহৎ পুষ্টিকৰ পদাৰ্থ আৰু সাধাৰণতে সাৰত ইয়াক NPK বুলি সংক্ষিপ্তভাৱে কোৱা হয়. Question 6. It is reported that there is an ongoing decrease in the pH value of ocean water because of global warming. It happens due to খবৰ পোৱা গৈছে যে গোলকীয় উষ্ণতাৰ বৃদ্ধিৰ বাবে সাগৰৰ পানীৰ pH মান ক্ৰমাগতভাৱে হ্ৰাস পাইছে. ইয়াৰ কাৰণ কি? The options are larger uptake of CO2 by ocean water, lesser uptake of CO2 by ocean water, larger uptake of atmospheric nitrogen by ocean water, ne lesser uptake of atmospheric nitrogen by ocean water. The correct answer is larger uptake of CO2 by ocean water. সাগৰৰ দ্বাৰা কাৰ্বন ডাই অক্সাইডৰ শোষণ বৃদ্ধিৰ ফলত কাৰ্বনিক এচিড গঠন হয় যাৰ ফলত pH হ্ৰাস পায় আৰু সাগৰীয় অম্লীয়কৰণ হয়. Question 7. The three elements most used in chemical fertilizer are ৰাসায়নিক সাৰত সৰ্বাধিক ব্যৱহৃত তিনিটা মৌল হৈছে Options are A. Nitrogen, sodium and sulfur, B. Nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, C. Nitrogen, phosphorus and sodium, and D. Calcium, sodium and sulfur. The correct answer is nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus. These are the primary macronutrients in fertilizers to promote plant health and productivity. Question 8. Which one of the following statements about fertilizers is not correct? সাৰৰ বিষয়ে তলৰ কোনটো কথা শুদ্ধ নহয়? Options are urea is a phosphorus containing fertilizer, application of fertilizer to the soil increases fertility of the soil, urea can be prepared by action of ammonia and carbon dioxide under high pressure and high temperature, urea contains more nitrogen than other fertilizers. ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত কোনটো শুদ্ধ নহয়? The correct answer is urea is a phosphorus containing fertilizer. Urea is not a phosphorus containing fertilizer, it is a nitrogen containing fertilizer. Urea phosphorus নহয়, nitrogen যুক্ত সাৰ. Question 9. Which one of the following metals floats in cold water? তলৰ কোনটো ধাতু ঠাণ্ডা পানীত উপঙি থাকে? The options are magnesium, calcium, potassium, নে copper. The correct answer is potassium. Potassium is less dense than water and reacts vigorously with it, making it float initially. Potassium পানীতকৈ কম ঘন আৰু ইয়াৰ লগত তীব্ৰ বিক্ৰিয়া কৰে যাৰ ফলত ই প্ৰথম অৱস্থাত ভাহি থাকে. Question 10. The transfer of electrical signals by nerve cells in human body is enabled by মানুহৰ শৰীৰৰ স্নায়ুকোষৰ দ্বাৰা বৈদ্যুতিক সংকেত স্থানান্তৰণৰ সম্ভৱপৰ হয় কেনেকৈ? Options are sodium, potassium, iron, নে sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium. They are crucial for creating the action potentials that transmit nerve signals. স্নায়ুৰ সংকেত প্ৰেৰণ কৰা ক্ৰিয়াৰ বিভৱ সৃষ্টিৰ বাবে সোডিয়াম আৰু পটাছিয়ামৰ আয়ন অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ. Question 11. Which one of the following statements is not correct? তলৰ কোনটো উক্তি শুদ্ধ নহয়? Options are A. The rate of evaporation depends on temperature, B. The rate of evaporation does not depend on surface area exposed to the atmosphere but on volume of the liquid. Option C. The rate of evaporation depends on humidity of the surroundings. Option D. The rate of evaporation depends on the wind speed. The correct answer is option B. The rate of evaporation does not depend on the surface area exposed to the atmosphere but on the volume of the liquid. বাষ্পীভৱনৰ হাৰ বায়ুমণ্ডলৰ সংস্পৰ্শলৈ অহা পৃষ্ঠভাগৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰ নকৰে বৰঞ্চ তৰল পদাৰ্থৰ আয়তনৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰ কৰে. Question 12. A homogeneous mixture containing two liquids. How are they separated? সমজাতীয় মিশ্ৰণত দুটা তৰল পদাৰ্থ থাকে কেনেকৈ পৃথক কৰা হয়? Options are by filtration, by evaporation, by distillation, নে by condensation. The correct answer is by distillation. Distillation separates liquids with different boiling points in a homogeneous mixture. Distillation এক সমজাতীয় মিশ্ৰণৰ বিভিন্ন উতল বিন্দুৰ তৰল পদাৰ্থ পৃথক কৰে। Question 13 1 carbon credit is equivalent to এটা কাৰ্বন ক্ৰেডিটৰ সমতুল্য কি হয়? Options are 10 kg of CO2 নে 100 kg of CO2, 1000 kg of CO2 নে 10000 kg of CO2. The correct answer is 1000 kilogram of carbon dioxide. 1 carbon credit represents a reduction of 1 metric ton, that is 1000 kilogram of CO2 emission. Question 14 the process of arranging data in logical sequence is called তথ্যক যুক্তিসংগত ক্ৰমত সজোৱাৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াটোক কোৱা হয়। Options are summarizing, sorting, classifying নে reproducing. The correct answer is sorting. Sorting organizes data in a logical order such as ascending or descending. Sorting a তথ্যক এটা যুক্তিসংগত ক্ৰমত সংগঠিত কৰে যেনে আৰোহণ বা অৱনমিত। Question 15 in a database management system DBMS the content and the location of the data is defined by the DBMS ত তথ্যৰ বিষয়বস্তু আৰু অৱস্থান এই দ্বাৰা সংজ্ঞায়িত কৰা হয়। Options are A sub data, B multidimensional data, C sequence data, D metadata. The correct answer is metadata. Metadata এটা DBMS ত তথ্যৰ গঠন বিষয়বস্তু আৰু অৱস্থানৰ বিষয়ে তথ্য প্ৰদান কৰে। Question 16 consider the following statements. A digital signature is it is a record that identifies the certifying authority issuing it. Point number 2, it is used to serve as a proof of identity of an individual to access information or server on internet. Point number 3, an electronic method of signing an electronic document and ensuring that the original content is unchanged. Which of the given statements are correct? Options are 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 only, option D 1 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D 1 2 and 3. A digital signature verifies the identity of the sender, ensures data integrity and is issued by a certifying authority. So 3 point শুদ্ধ। Question 17 1 TB approximately comprises or occupies which of the following data or space size? 1 TB তলৰ কোনটো তথ্য বা স্থানৰ আকাৰ সামৰি লয় বা দখল কৰে? Options are A 1000 KB, B 1024 MB, C 1024 GB, নে D 1000 GB. The correct answer is C 1024 GB. 1 terabyte equals 1024 gigabytes as per binary convention. Question 18 Vishwas, which is a major e-governance initiative launched by government in January 2020, is the acronym for which of the following? 2020 চনৰ জানুৱাৰী মাহত চৰকাৰে আৰম্ভ কৰা এটা ডাঙৰ e-governance পদক্ষেপ বিশ্বাস তলৰ কোনটো সংক্ষিপ্ত ৰূপ? Options are A video interface and state-wide advanced security, option B video integration and system-wide advanced security, option C video integration and state-wide advanced system, and option D video integration and system-wide advanced security. The correct answer is video integration and state-wide advanced security. Vishwasৰ লক্ষ্য হৈছে ভিডিঅ সংহতিৰ জৰিয়তে ৰাজ্যব্যাপী সুৰক্ষা উন্নত কৰা। Question 19 there are how many vocal cords in the human voice box? মানুহৰ কণ্ঠৰ বাকচত কিমান কণ্ঠস্বৰ আছে? Options are A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. The correct answer is 2. Humans have 2 vocal cords in the larynx that vibrate to produce sound. মানুহৰ larynxত দুটা কণ্ঠস্বৰ থাকে যিবোৰ কম্পন কৰি শব্দ উৎপন্ন কৰে। Question 20 the pitch of a sound depends upon which one of the following characteristic? শব্দ তৰংগৰ pitch নিৰ্ভৰ কৰে ইয়াৰ তলৰ কোনটো বৈশিষ্ট্যৰ ওপৰত? Options are speed, loudness, amplitude নে frequency. The correct answer is frequency. শব্দৰ pitch তাৰ কম্পাঙ্কৰ দ্বাৰা নিৰ্ধাৰিত হয়। উচ্চ কম্পাঙ্ক মানে উচ্চ pitch. The pitch of a sound is determined by its frequency. Higher frequency means higher pitch. Question 21 the waves produced by a motorboat sailing on water are পানীত মটৰ নাও চলাচল কৰি উৎপন্ন হোৱাৰ ঢৌবোৰ হ'ল A transverse waves, B longitudinal, C longitudinal and transverse, and D stationary waves. The correct answer is longitudinal and transverse. These waves involve longitudinal waves in water and transverse ripples on the surface. Question 22 sonic boom is produced when a source of sound travels at a speed. শব্দৰ উৎস এটা বেগেৰে যাত্ৰা কৰিলে sonic boom উৎপন্ন হয়। Options are A greater than the speed of sound, B greater than the speed of light, C lesser than the speed of sound, D equal to the speed of sound. The correct answer is greater than the speed of sound. কোনো বস্তুৱে যেতিয়া শব্দৰ গতি অতিক্ৰম কৰিলে shock wave সৃষ্টি হয় আৰু তাৰ ফলত sonic boom হয়। Question 23 the green plants in a terrestrial ecosystem absorb sunlight that falls on their leaves and converts it into food energy. The percentage of solar radiation absorbed by all green plants for the process of photosynthesis is about স্থলজ পৰিৱেশত তন্ত্ৰত থকা সেউজীয়া উদ্ভিদে পাতৰ পৰা সূৰ্যৰ পোহৰ শোষণ কৰি খাদ্য শক্তিলৈ ৰূপান্তৰিত কৰে। সালোক সংশ্লেষণৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰ বাবে সকলো সেউজীয়া উদ্ভিদে শোষণ কৰা সৌৰ বিকিৰণৰ শতকৰা হাৰ প্ৰায় A 1%, B 5%, C 8%, D 10%. The correct answer is 1%. সংশ্লেষণৰ সময়ত লাভ কৰা সৌৰ বিকিৰণৰ প্ৰায় 1% ৰাসায়নিক শক্তিলৈ ৰূপান্তৰিত কৰে। সেউজ উদ্ভিদে সালোক সংশ্লেষণৰ সময়ত লাভ কৰা সৌৰ বিকিৰণৰ প্ৰায় 1% ৰাসায়নিক শক্তিলৈ ৰূপান্তৰিত কৰে। Question 24 Justice Madan B. Lokur Committee was set up to take steps to ন্যায়াধীশ মদন বি লোকুৰ কমিটিয়ে গঠন কৰা হৈছিল যাতে এই পদক্ষেপ লোৱা হয় অপশনস are to look into the violation of environment rules option B prevent stubble burning option C draft new water policy and option D regulate digital lending the correct answer is option B The committee addresses air pollution issues caused by stubble burning in agricultural fields. Question 25. What is the use of biochar in farming? Khetir khetrot biochar ki vyavahar. The points are point number 1, biochar can be used as a part of the growing medium in vertical farming. Point number 2, when biochar is a part of the growing medium, it promotes the growth of nitrogen fixing microorganisms. Point number 3, when biochar is a part of the growing medium, it enables the growing medium to retain water for a longer time. Which of the statement given above are correct? The options are A 1 and 2 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D 1, 2 and 3. Biochar enhances soil fertility, promotes nitrogen fixing microorganisms and improves water retention. Question 26. Cheetahs were recently reintroduced to India from Africa. From which language is the name cheetah derived? Kehteke Africar ba bhartole punor cheetah anisil. Kon bhashar pra cheetah namto udbhav hoise? Options are A Swahili, B Afrikaans, C Somali na D Sanskrit. The answer is Sanskrit. The word cheetah originates from the Sanskrit word chitraka meaning spotted. Cheetah শব্দটো উৎপত্তি হৈছে সংস্কৃতৰ চিত্ৰ শব্দৰ পৰা যাৰ অৰ্থ হৈছে দাগযুক্ত which state government launched a state level committee for vulture conservation SLCVC proposed by the National Action for the Protection of Vultures in India. The options are Tamil Nadu, Sikkim, Assam ne Meghalaya. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. হগুনৰ জনসংখ্যা ৰক্ষাৰ বাবে তামিল নাডু এই সমিতিৰ উদ্যোগ লৈছিল. Question 28. Hangul deer is found in which part of India? ভাৰতৰ কোন প্ৰান্তত হাঙুল হৰিণ পোৱা যায়? ৰাজস্থান, Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir, and Assam. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Hangul ba Kashmir horin hoise Jammu Kashmir tholua. Hangul or the Kashmir stag is native to Jammu and Kashmir. Question 29. First National Center for Marine Biodiversity NCMB of India is situated at Bharator Pratham Rashtriyo Samudrik Jaibo Boishitro Kendra NCMB ei sthanot obosthito. The options are Puducherry, B Jamnagar, C Mumbai, D Bhavnagar. The correct answer is B Jamnagar. The NCMB in Jamnagar focuses on marine biodiversity conservation. Jamnagar NCMB e সামুদ্রিক জৈৱ বৈচিত্ৰ্য সংৰক্ষণৰ ওপৰত গুৰুত্ব আৰোপ কৰে. The question 30 is a geographical grid has এটা ভৌগোলিক গ্ৰিডত আছে. The point is point number 1 lines that run east to west around the globe to mark latitude and point number 2 lines that run north to south from north pole to south pole indicate longitude. Which of the statement given above are correct? Options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is C both 1 and 2. The geographical grid line consists of latitude and longitude. Bhogolic gridot okangsho aru draghimangho thake. So etu asil previous year questions or eta small analysis. Video to sai bhal lage jodi apona lage please Vriksha Academy channel to subscribe koribo aru ei video to like koribo aru share koribo. Thank you so much for watching.